I think sometime around 2015, and I don't know who mooted the idea first, but the idea was that, look, it's time to start our own thing.
People always say partnership is difficult, but I think one thing that's worked for us is the fact that we've trusted each other for a long time.
So when the conversation broached, it wasn't difficult for us to decide that, yes, let's do it.
Comercio Partners is a boutique investment banking firm established in 2016 by 3 major partners with a strategic intent of empowering minds in Africa. And basically, we have 4 major cardinals of business, which revolves around trading, investment, financial advisory, and real estate.
Before we started Comercio Partners in 2016, I had spent my career in investment banking.
Prior to 2016, the 3 partners who started Comercio Partners used to work for different institutions. We've actually been big players in the market, in the capital market in Nigeria. Combined experience of these 3 people have shaped the market in different ways.
It was important for us to look at the complementary skill sets that each person brings to the table. Nnamdi is the executioner. I like to time travel, so I'm the vision caster. I'm responsible for building new businesses within the group. Steve is the relationship manager. Steve can sniff an opportunity a mile away.
There's one thing to be friends with someone. There's another thing to fully understand yourselves. Know that you can trust one another, right? Because partnership, trust is very important.
Founding fathers in the banking industry, they created big financial institutions that we are all proud of today. So we felt that we could do that.
When we kicked off in 2016, there was a recession that year. And we said to ourselves, if we can start off during the recession, make it succeed, then that means we'll be able to blossom, when things change.
Well, it was a difficult decision. We needed capital. So we contributed 50 million each to build a business that is worth billions in valuation.
The opportunity we saw in 2016 when we started the business was quite enormous. The capital market will only allow you if you have 100 million naira upward. A lot of people were cut off from generating a lot of returns and enjoying the same yield that all these big players enjoy. That's one of the spaces that we felt like we needed to plug in.
During that period, I did HR, finance, Tosin and Steve did marketing. I did trading alongside Tosin and Steve. So it was almost like, a 3-man squad.
I'm always thinking like 3, 4, 5 years ahead. I believe that we need to break new frontiers. Nnamdi, on the other hand, he is the risk manager. He is the one who says that good for us to think about where the future is heading. However, we need to execute for today.
About 4 months after we started, and we were trading, and we made an error in the trade. And the error in the trade resulted in a loss that took about, I would say about 30% of our startup capital. 2020, COVID year, we were bleeding badly. 50 million loss was like child's play compared to where we were at that point in time. But the thought of saying, let's stop the business, never once crossed our mind.
If you doubt yourself, it can lead to fear, right? And that's one of the things that we never allow to happen. During the course of whatever crisis that comes our way, we never doubted our plan, our strategy, and the resolution to be able to move on and be successful at whatever we've created.
Our goal at Comercio Properties is to be the reference name for luxury living. Our flagship project was the Coral Apartment in Victoria Island, and today we're doing multiple projects across Ikoyi, Victoria Island, and Lekki Phase 1.
I think Comercio's success is, growth, global expansion. What we have been doing in the UK is as an expression of those dreams and aspirations.
In 2017, I resumed at Comercio Partners as the EA to the managing partners. 2019 was when I came on board as the brand person. Prior to now, this brand has potentials. Today, you'd say that it's a trusted financial ecosystem built with strategic partnership.
I joined January of 2021. When I joined CP, I was the 20th employee. Since then, we've grown. We have over 60 employees. The people of Comercio Partners, people that are dedicated, people that have growth mindset.
Comercio made me hungry. That hunger could be translated to drive. A drive for success, a drive for achievement. I joined Comercio in 2018. I was an advisory analyst. Today, I'm a vice president.
You always have to know what is happening in your market. You always have to know what is happening in the economy that could affect your positions. When I first joined Comercio, I started as a research analyst. So now I would say I'm a very well-experienced portfolio manager and a seasoned investor.
Comercio is basically the home of growth. Started off as an intern, and in the space of just less than 3 years, I'm right here managing portfolios.
I currently sit on the head of wealth management. We deal with money, but what we do is fund and portfolio management. I've worked with Comercio Partners for 3 years and 8 months. I had been in financial space for a couple of years before that time. But trust me, I think this was the first time I was hearing people really talk about the financial markets like they were talking about it here. And I felt to myself, my God, all these young people know so much. Am I not going to make a fool of myself here?
For every operations person to work effectively, you must understand the why of every transaction. Comercio Partners in the next 10 years, for me, I feel like they are going to be one of the biggest names in the global space.
I mean, the idea really is to be a one-stop shop for every and anything that you need. If you want to raise money, you come to us. If you want to buy bonds, you come to us. If you want structured products, we are your guys.
The business, I must say, that is run by people who have a vision, and they have, one of the best examples of partnership that, I have seen in recent times.
If you have others telling you that, this market is not really a place to play, you see Comercio Partners step in to tell you, we'll find opportunities where there are uncertainties.
When we started the business with less than 500 million shareholders fund to circa 160 billion asset under management in 2026.
The verticals we've built in the businesses are doing extremely well, and they've contributed to the development of this country in line with our vision. Our vision is very clear. We want to build a financial services ecosystem.
What the 10 years of Comercio proves is that the partnership does work, can work. It's getting the right people to come together.
The anniversary belongs to the organization first, but more importantly, it belongs to the founding fathers and to the staff strength and our investors. Happy 10th anniversary!